I have I'm going to put oils in here. So what once I put oils in there, they actually start to heat up and have that beautiful fragrance. At this particular time, you know, you can actually reduce your heat, and you can actually put your rice that you have left over from last night. Now, if you actually happen to do fried rice, and you can actually cook more rice and put them in the fridge, or sometimes when I actually go to work and there's fried rice left over, instead of actually feeding it to the worms, I freeze them. And when I want to do fried rice, I just bring them down. To cook good fried rice, it's better to actually produce the rice from the day before. You don't have to defrost the rice. You can basically put the rice directly into your pot. And also ginger also have heat. It also have earth elements in here. Now if I wanted to, I can actually add salt, and I turn off the heat. You can actually see it's quite golden and it's quite nice. And I wish you were here. It smells beautiful. You can actually see how easy it is. You know, if you don't have time, and you don't have to put big emphasis in cooking, but you must look after yourself, because your body is borrowed. You borrow this body. Responsible to look after this body. Now you can actually see this is quite yellow. What happens if I'm actually adding some green to it? The green is not necessarily for the taste. It's also very good